Is your tech company's website costing you millions without knowing it? I have helped over 50 companies fix their broken website, and today I'll share these 5 questions that could save your business. Hi guys, I'm Parth Gaurav from Digi Hotshot, and I help tech companies build websites that make money. Let's dive into some real stories and solutions. So, your website should be your best salesperson, but for many tech companies, it's their biggest bottleneck. Just listen to what Sarah Smith, Marketing Operations Manager at Rakuten SL experienced before fixing their website. We have saved thousands of dollars in the last few months since switching from WordPress to Webflow. Now my team can make changes in 20 minutes that would have taken an expensive programmer like 4 to 5 hours. That's what she spoke about. And this is the reality for many tech companies. I see the same problem everywhere over and over again. Marketing teams stuck waiting for developers, money wasted on simple updates, and slow websites losing customers. And most importantly, like security risks that nobody talks about. But let's see, why does this matter? Let me share what Serena Raymond, a content marketing manager at a major security company, went through. She said, I had 2 months where I couldn't post a new blog at all. 2 whole months of lost content, lost traffic, and lost leads. Meanwhile, look at what happens when companies fix these problems. One VP of design saw their traffic increase by 27% in just 1 week after the launch. These aren't just numbers, this is your company's future. And now let's talk about the topic of this video. Here are the 5 questions that you need to ask your web team today. Question 1. How fast can you change our website? What to look for is changes should take hours, not weeks. And real example is like Sarah's team that I mentioned earlier. You should be able to make changes on your site within 20 minutes, not like 4 to 5 hours. But it depends on the exact change, but it should be like 20 minutes, not 4 or 5 hours. And the particular red flag that you can look for is if your team says we'll add it to the backlog. That is something to think about. Then question 2 is, what does our website really cost? Listen to Paul Sistema, Senior Director of Corporate Marketing at a healthcare company. Moving to a better platform meant we could take on more projects than before, with better and faster results. Now, as you have heard of this, add up developer cost, count lost sales from delays, and include security patches too in this question, in the answer when you are taking the answer from your dev company. Question 3. Can marketing team launch campaigns without IT? Here's what Elisa Albert, a VP of design, discovered. Our new designs didn't need to go through anyone else besides brand and marketing. No engineers needed. The freedom and flexibility was invaluable. This is what her experience was. Your team should be able to create new pages on their own. Your marketing team, they should update content when needed, and also look at like how many people touch one particular update. Question 4 is your site faster than your competitors? Here are some real results from tech companies who fixed their speed. So they got like more impressions, traffic increase in just 1 week, and better SEO scores. You have seen like some of the examples that I've given above. Then next up, question 5 is, what happens when traffic spikes? Christopher Patota, product manager content at Freshly, shares, now we can review across browsers and devices much faster. It's cheaper to make changes on the fly, and we can go live fast. This is what his experience was. Again gives you a solid proof. So here's what you can do today. Ask your team these 5 questions, write down their answers, look for red flags, check if you're losing money to slow updates. Now, do you want to know how your website stacks up? Click the link below for a free website audit, and we'll show you exactly what's holding you back and how to fix it. Don't forget to hit subscribe and the notification bell to learn more about building websites that make you money, not cost you money. And thank you so much for watching this video. Drop a comment below if you have dealt with any of these issues before, and I'll see you in the next video.